We will show you how to create and add your website to a Google Search Console account. So what you need to do first, if you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. If you don't have an account, then check the link below and check out that video on how to go through and create an account. But once you've created your account, come up here and type in search.google.com/search console/about. We will add that link into the description as well. Once you're there, come down here and click Start Now. Now you have two options when you want to add an account to Search Console. You can add a domain level or URL level, and the difference is if you add a domain, say for example visiondigital.marketing, if we had a subdomain that was help.visiondigital.marketing and chose this option, the subdomain and all of the URLs associated with the subdomain help.visiondigital.marketing would also be added to this account, but not if we chose this option. Only the URLs that were associated with visiondigital.marketing would be added if we chose this method. So this method is fine for most people, and it is also going to be a lot easier to add if you use this method as well. We will link to the description a document on how to add via DNS, which is what it requires here, and you can also use that method here, but we're just going to add this one. And another side note is because we've added the HTTPS, it will not add the HTTP version of our website. It will just add the HTTPS version. You will need to check to make sure that you have an HTTPS version, which is very easy. Just type it in like that, select it, copy it, and open up a new tab, paste it in. If your website pops up without any issues, you do have the HTTPS version. If you get some kind of error, then you'll need to add HTTP only in here. Once you've got your domain name in there, click continue, and this will give you your options on how to verify the ownership of this website. If you already have a Google account and you have something like Google Tag Manager in your website, or you've got some Google tracking code already, maybe for your analytics in your website, this verification area will skip and you will automatically be verified. If you do not have those already on your website and you get this box, then these are the options. You can add an HTML file to your website. You can add an HTML tag to your website simply by copying and pasting this into the header section of your website. Add a Google Analytics account, use Google Tag Manager, or use your domain name provider. Now again, if you do not know what any of these mean, then we will list the documentation in the description below for how to add domain name provider verification. So you might want to try this. If you are having an issue with all of this, getting it verified, contact your web developer or your IT team, or alternatively feel free to contact us here at Vision Digital and we will have a look at getting that all attached for you. But once you've done that, just click verify. It won't show up for us because we haven't done anything, and actually our website is connected to a different Google Search Console account. But this box would say that it's successful in verification. If it shows that it's failed for any reason, it's most likely going to show something similar to this, saying we couldn't find verification token in your text records, or we couldn't find your analytics account, or we couldn't find your Google Tag Manager. You may need to just wait a few minutes, or again check with your IT team, check with your web developer, or contact us and we can have a look to see if it's all been added in correctly. That is how you add your website to a Google Search Console account.